Hello, today I'm at the Arboretum at the University of Guelph, and I'm here to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of August 2022. With the summer interest rate hikes, we shouldn't be too surprised to see a continued downward momentum in the real estate market. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to August of last year. For Guelph, the median sales price was $665,000, which is down by 8.3%. The average sale price per square foot was $364, which is down by 19.3%. The total number of listings was 228, down by 3.4%, and the total number of sales were 140, which is down by 29.3%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sales price was $650,000, down by 4.3%. In Waterloo, it was $565,000, down by 17.8%, and in Cambridge, it was $663,500, which is down by 8.2%. Each of our local markets have seen month-over-month price drops over the past few months, but this is the first month in which year-over-year price drops have happened in all four of our local markets. Guelph was the last city to hold its prices, but it's now down 8.3% year-over-year. The lack of sales is the key metric driving the lower prices, as inventory is down by only a small margin. It seems clear that the desperation for buyers to enter the market has subsided, the COVID effect of people wanting change has diminished, and the continued interest rate hikes have increased the cost of borrowing and the subsequent mortgage payments enough for many buyers to hit the pause button on their searches. With all of this in mind, all of our local markets are currently in a balanced state. Despite all of the news headlines, it's actually a good market for making a move. Buyers are able to purchase without competition in most cases, and sellers who price aggressively are still able to sell. Buyers are even able to put conditions back into their offers, and we're even seeing a lot of sale of property conditions being accepted by sellers. If you're considering a move in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. With a little bit of patience and persistence, it's actually a good time to make your move and to purchase or sell in this market. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.